Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about Audubon's Bird app. When you're looking for the birds, you can look for them by what shape they have. For example, if you're looking for a duck, then you can figure out exactly which shape that bird that you saw had. So you can identify them even if they were backlit and you only saw a silhouette. You can also look for them by what family they were in, their name, their first name, or you can do a search for them if you know exactly what bird you want to find and you want to find it really fast. So, for each bird, there's at least one picture of the bird. And you can also look at a range map where they're most common. And this app has the best recordings of any of the field guide apps. It also has a description of the birds that's very, very, very easy to read. And it shows the birds that look similar to it. So you can just view those, and it has a picture of each one next to it. It has about 800 different kinds of birds on it in all. And they all have photography so that you can recognize the bird if you see a picture of it. Well, anyhow, you can also go through them by their scientific name. So if you know the scientific name of the bird, you can scroll through them with that. Or by their last names alphabetically. Well, anyhow, that's it. Thanks.